Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.
The Indian Navy on Sunday revealed its active role in Operation Sindoor, emphasizing that Karachi and other key Pakistani military assets were in the line of fire during India's coordinated military response to the Pahalgam terror attack. Speaking at a joint briefing with senior commanders from the Army and Air Force, Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod, Director General of Naval Operations, said that the Navy's deployment in the Arabian Sea during the operation effectively forced the Pakistan Navy to remain confined to its harbors or operate only near its coastline. He said that the Indian Navy was fully prepared within 96 hours of 22nd April attack to execute strikes on Pakistan's military infrastructure. He added that naval forces were ready to target locations at sea and on land, including Karachi port, but were awaiting government orders. Pramod added the Navy rapidly mobilized warships, submarines, and aircraft into full combat readiness following the Pahalgam attack. The deployment, he said, reinforced India's commitment to national security and its ability to respond decisively to emerging threats. Multiple weapon drills were conducted in the Arabian Sea to validate combat preparedness and enhance strike precision. Pakistan's naval forces, meanwhile, were restricted to defensive positions near the coast and were under close surveillance. The Indian response throughout the operation was measured and calibrated, with all branches of the military operating in sync to ensure an effective counter-strike, he added. Pramod noted that the Navy's maritime superiority, along with the coordinated efforts of the Army and Air Force, played a key role in compelling Pakistan to seek a ceasefire. Despite the cessation of hostilities, the Navy remains vigilant and ready to act against any future threats from Pakistan or its proxies. Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, Director General of Military Operations, reiterated that Pakistan had been warned against any further violations, which would be met with a strong and immediate response. Air Marshal A.K. Bharti detailed the precision airstrikes that targeted Pakistani military installations, underlining India's commitment to avoiding civilian casualties while delivering a strategic response. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.